Hello and welcome to Last Week in Finance. Today is February 21 of 2021. First, to go to the numbers, shout out to the crypto guys over there. I know you're having a party right now. And by the way, I didn't get my laser eyes avatar. I'm waiting and I never got it. In my Twitter feed, I have a picture of me with sunglasses, and I always say, "Where?" Every time they ask me, "Hey, what is your laser eyes picture?" And I said, the laser eyes are beneath the sunglasses, so deal with that. Now let's get to the numbers, shall we? The S&P 500 actually went down this week 0.671%. Right now, the S&P 500 is at 3,906 points. The DXY, the US dollar index, slightly negative, 0.15%. Right now, the DXY is still over the 90 mark, 90.34 points. The gold box took a hit this week again, minus 3.86%. Right now, the ounce of gold is at $1,784. Now, this is very curious. Silver went way up this week, 7%. So the Wall Street bet guys maybe are doing the short squeeze on silver. Right now, the silver it's at $27.28. Copper went way up. Commodities are booming right now. Over 7% of growth for the copper price. Right now, it surpassed the $4 mark, 4.7 cents per pound. So copper is booming right now. The WTI, the West Texas Intermediate crude oil, went down this week, first negative week in a while, 1.1%. Actually, this week it surpassed the threshold of $60 per barrel. Right now it's at $59 per barrel. Same thing with the Brent crude oil. Very important, keeping my eye on this is the 10-year Treasury bond yield. Went up 17%. Right now, the 10-year Treasury yield it's at $1.34. I mean, it's at 1.34%. I'm sorry with that. So, what's gonna happen? Many people are saying that over 2% is Armageddon. Well, I always, I'm a classic economist, and what I am expecting is the inverted yield curve. When the 10-year yield surpasses the 30-year yield curve, and we get an inverted yield curve of the treasury bond. Right now is, that's when I'm gonna push the alarm button. Right now, I'm keeping it, I'm playing it cool. Seems it's gonna happen this year, and most of the time, that is the sign of a recession and a market crash. And of course, crypto guys, you know that I'm going there. Bitcoin, just as I'm recording this show, surpassed the $58,000 mark per Bitcoin. Bitcoin this week went up 22%. It surpassed the 1 trillion market cap. So, good for you, crypto guys. And I did a predictions video last year in August. Right now, at that point, Bitcoin was at, I believe, 9,000. And I said there is a possibility, and I said it was a far-fetched but real possibility, that at some point in the next 10 years, Bitcoin will reach $1 million cotization. Of course, in order to get to that, we will need a market cap of $20 trillion. Gold right now it's around 10 trillion, so it will have to double gold market cap. It is possible a Bitcoin 20 trillion market cap. You know what? I'm a believer right now. And why? You see that the worldwide public debt is around 300 trillion right now, give or take. The derivative market it's at $1 trillion. So a market cap for Bitcoin to $20 trillion is not far-fetched right now. I don't know what's gonna happen, I don't like to do predictions, at least not these far-fetched predictions, but I mean a $20 trillion market cap for Bitcoin in the next 10 years is not far-fetched. You know why? Because right now this is not crazy crypto guys that are buying Bitcoin. We have institutional money. We have the credit card companies, PayPal, MicroStrategy. By the way, Michael Saylor, if you're listening to this podcast, shout out to you. You're crushing it. By the way, you see it better than us. By the way, I listened to a Michael Saylor interview the other day. He was saying that gold, of course, because always the comparison of gold and Bitcoin, I'm kind of in the middle between both of them. And he was saying, gold peaked at in the 19th century, in the 20th century underperformed, is underperforming right now, and buying a Bitcoin is like buying a block on Manhattan at 120 years ago. Not my words, Michael Saylor's words, and Bitcoin was like financial power. I don't remember exactly the term that he used, and he's crushing it. He's crushing it. Good for him. Also, we have Elon Musk, 1.5 billion purchase from Tesla, heavily impulsed by Elon Musk. And let's see. The most important thing is in Wall Street when your competitor is outperforming you because he's using an asset class that you aren't using it, it's gonna get a lot of attention. I was reading that, and this is likely it's gonna happen. Other big, big time, big money, smart money investors are most likely going to Bitcoin right now or in the short term. So brace yourself, guys. This party is apparently far for going to end. And another thing, crypto guys, listen to this. Remember, we are close to the tax season, to the end of the tax season. And historically, in the short history of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, this is a bear market. Historically, is a bear market this time of the year for crypto, in order that many people have their liquidity on crypto and they liquidate some of their cryptocurrencies in order to pay their taxes. So keep an eye with that. I'm expecting a pullback in the next few weeks. Another thing, Ethereum all-time high, over $2,000 per an Ethereum. And very good for Ethereum guys. I don't own Ethereum, so very good for you guys. Also Dogecoin, this is nonsense. With Dodge going, I don't know if this is gonna take off, this big cryptocurrency. So let's see about that. Of course, we have the boring financial news, the jobless claims, when higher than expected, 861,000 new jobless claims this week alone, over the forecast that was 773,000 new jobless claims. So we're seeing more unemployment, we're seeing more economic, real economy contraction, and the market cap is still going up. So, the stock market party is about to end. The music is going to stop sooner than later. I don't know when, that's why I'm keeping my eye on the yield curve. And I suggest you to do the same. And I just want to close with this, so keep your eyes open. Don't get too caught up in the moment. Remember what Warren Buffett said: be fearful when everybody else is greedy, and vice versa. So, have a nice week. Love you guys. By the way, I want my laser eye picture, and take care. Bye bye.